What's up everyone? I'm Imran Kazir and welcome back to Design with Mani. In my last video, we looked at how AI tools like Relume, MagiCopy, and UX Pilot can accelerate your workflow by 10 times. But speed is meaningless if the final design doesn't feel premium. AI can give you the structure, but that soul and high-end aesthetic, that can only come from a human designer. Today, we're moving beyond the tools to master the one signature look that 90% of designers get wrong, the high-end glassy dark UI. Stop using pure black for your dark mode designs. It looks flat, it's hard on the eyes, and honestly, it looks cheap. Most designers struggle to make dark UI feel premium, but today, I'm going to show you how to master the glassy aesthetic, the signature look of 2026. Let's fix your workflow. Step 1 is all about the foundation. In a real-world dark environment, nothing is ever 100% black. When you use pure #000,000, you lose the ability to show depth. Instead, use a deep, rich charcoal like #0D0D0D. This subtle shift allows our shadows and highlights to actually exist, giving your interface a 3D metallic feel from the start. Step 2 is what everyone asks me about, glass morphism. The secret to a high-end glassy card isn't just lowering the opacity. It's the combination of a heavy background blur and a sharp 0.5 pixel inner stroke. This tiny border acts like a highlight, catching the light on a piece of real glass. It's a small detail, but it's the difference between a beginner and a pro. Step 3, adding the soul. A dark design needs a light source to breathe. I use soft, volumetric atmospheric glows behind my main layers. By using deep violets or electric blues at low opacity, you create a sense of hierarchy. It guides the user's eye exactly where you want it to go, without being distracting. When you combine these 3 steps, charcoal foundations, glassy textures, and atmospheric lighting, you get a result like this. This isn't just a UI, it's an experience. This is why clients pay premium rates for visual designers who understand the feel of a product, not just the tools. Mastering these details is how you stay ahead of the curve in 2026. If you want my personal dark UI style guide, check the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to Design with Mani for more high-end builds. I'm Imran Kazir. Keep designing, and I'll see you in the next one.